Is your Mercedes GLA alarm constantly going off? It's a common issue, often stemming from three main culprits: the proximity antenna, bonnet switch, and key fob battery. The proximity antenna communicates with your key fob for keyless entry. Misalignment or interference can trigger false alarms. The bonnet switch detects if the hood is open. A faulty switch, often due to dirt or wear, can send false signals. Finally, a weak fob battery weakens the signal, causing communication drops that trigger the alarm. Start by checking these three components in your Mercedes GLA to find the solution. First, replace the key fob battery. A low battery is a common trigger for false alarms. Next, inspect the bonnet switch for dirt, damage, and proper alignment. Clean or replace it if necessary, with costs around $150 at a dealer. If those don't work, the Prox antenna may need realignment or a firmware update. Many issues are addressed via technical service bulletins and over-the-air software updates. Check the Mercedes Me app for updates, or visit a dealer. For Prox antenna problems, dealerships can diagnose and realign the antenna with specialized tools. User forums indicate DIY fixes via BCM resets using apps like Torque Pro are becoming more common. Note that aftermarket modifications may void warranties. If issues persist, consult a certified Mercedes-Benz technician.